Wake 'em up. Hi, how's it going? It's me, Julio. Have you ever felt like you wanted to help the homeless? You know, we drive past them all the time. We're seeing them with signs. And definitely, for me personally, I never want to give out money. But it's like, what could we do to help, right? Have you ever felt like, what could I do to help? So today, we're going to talk to you about how to build a care package to give to the homeless that are in need. Hi guys, this is Julio with Wake 'em Up Ministry. If this is your first time, please hit the like and also subscribe to our channel and give us some comments on how we could share these care packages with others. What have been your personal testimonies? What has happened when you giving them out? Or tell us also if what other ways we could help those that are in need. We would love to hear from you in our comments. And without any further ado, I just want you to look at all these items. I'm going to lift some up for you. On here, we got a can of tuna. We got some granola bars. We got some crackers. We got some waters. Where we're at, it's really cold. So we have these super warmers that they could put in their pockets or hold in their hands. We got some socks. And the most important thing about this for us who are believers, us who are born again, is these gospel tracts. So these are great tracts, and we put these on all of our care packages, and they're important to us. So please consider getting them. Go to gottracts.com or livingwaters.com, and you'll be able to get gospel tracts if your church doesn't have them, or if you can't get them, just go to those places, those sites. Also, too, we have this bag is very important. It's what's going to hold all these items. This is about a gallon 1 gallon Ziploc bag. So you can get these at the store. So now we're just going to put it together with you. So here we go. And just like that, there we go. We got it. So this, as you could imagine, and don't think about it from your perspective, but from somebody who literally has nothing and they're sleeping outside in the streets, and you see this, usually when I give it out, man, you got to see the people's faces. They're like glowing. It's almost as if they're getting a Christmas gift for some. They are shocked by what they're getting when they see this. So believe it or not, this is beneficial to them. They really feel like, man, it's a big deal, So also, too, when I give these out, sometimes I'll tell them, look, these cards that are in there are very special to me. Please read them and please keep them. Use all the items, but please keep it. And so they usually say, yeah, we'll keep it. So this is good. This is good so that while you're driving, now you put down your window, boom, you give it out. You give it out to them, Or if you know any areas where there's a lot of homeless, you can go there and you'll be able to meet their needs, So if we're not intentional about meeting the needs of the homeless, we just will never do it, So that's something to definitely consider. So now I'm going to show you my church at Rochester, New York. It's called Hope Christian Fellowship. So this is the outside of the church. This is the way it looks. And then now you're going to see us inside on what I do on every Sunday. So every Sunday, usually myself, and I have a couple of people that are helping me that are volunteers. And what we do is we give out the gospel tracts first. So we're giving out gospel tracts, the cards, and also we're giving out a bunch of the care packages also. So these are things that we're doing to get our church involved, to get our church to reach the poor, to reach those that are in need. And so we're doing it in a way that's practical and also a way that is strategic, because I'm encouraging everyone who gets one of these to give it out on a day-to-day basis or even a week-to-week basis. So what I do is I give 1 or 2 out to people who do say, okay, yeah, I have seen or I will see, I know for sure, a homeless person on my way to work or on my way home. So I wanted to give this to them. So I give each person who says that 1 or 2. And there's some people who say, well, wherever I drive, I never see a homeless. And that's fine. So there's no pressure there. That person I usually give the gospel tracts. So then these people, the brothers and sisters, they'll take these care packages and they'll give them out. And they're blessing other people. Also, too, we have it working out so that people from our congregation are actually donating these items. So they're donating these items to us. They're giving us all the items that you see in our bag, in our care package. And also, I have other organizations that are helping us out too, that they're donating to us as well. And also, the church helps to get the difference as well of the items we need. So this is what we do on every Sunday, and we encourage you guys to do the same. And this is something that you should really consider at your church. First of all, I would say it starts off with you. Before I presented this to the church, I was doing it myself. And then afterwards, I started getting my church involved, and they were very happy to see this. So God bless you. May you reach the lost. Please consider subscribing to our channel, and please comment with any other ideas that you may have. God bless.